Here's a 2016 GMC Canyon. Some call it a mid-size truck. You'll call it a smart-size truck. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, air conditioning, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and smartphone wireless charging. The Car Connection calls it a solid alternative for anyone who might be interested in a mid-size SUV or crossover utility vehicle, but also has a need for an open pickup bed and might not have the garage space to house a modern big truck that's grown substantially over the past decade. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.